Pure, it was a case of good quarter, bad guide. Really solid results, double-digit growth, expanded ARR 26%. Saw its evergreen business, the cloud business, increase year over year by about $400 million. I stand by my belief that the correlation between AI and storage is going to be significant, and this is going to be good for companies like Pure Storage. The guide was a big miss, and of course, as you know, when you guide a big miss, it doesn't matter if you made your quarter. The guide is always the driver, at least as far as what I'm seeing these days. They only guided 782 million against an expectation of 923. So that was a rough one. You and I will have a conversation with Charlie Giancarlo, their CEO, in the next week or so. I will be asking him to dig in a bit about what's going on there. Is it a longer term headwind? Was it a couple of deals that fell through? What really drove that? Having said that, I'm really watching their subscription ARR, their overall customer growth with their net product expansion, which has been very successful for the company, Pat. And they remain over 80 as an 81.4 NPS score because this customer gets the business of taking care of, this company gets the business of taking care of customers, and they continue to be the best in class at doing that.
Yeah, so competitively, HPE, NetApp, and Dell were down for storage. Pure Storage and Lenovo storage was up, and the miss on they beat on both. Forecast has a lot to do with some certain orders in telco, and I usually like to discern whether it's a self-inflicted wound or not. And I don't think this one is. And it's great to see QLC kick in, right? This is the lower cost FlashBlade to essentially remove spinning disk. So looking forward to the conversation next week.